Hi guys, come with us. Go to Waig Hidden Falls in Casilac, New Cortez, New Corelia. So, by that time, kika nami og Bamboo Falls and what may giginahi kay daghan kay tao and gamay kay siya na pool or something. Then, gipark lang na mo car there. And then we walked for about 10 minutes or 5 minutes. I really don't know the exact time. Pero doon lang siya, guys. Then, amo sa nang gitanaw ang kaning waig. They say na mo ni ang pinakauna na falls here in Casilac. Like, before Facebook pa, nanani sila. So, ang entrance